Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about exporting from Basecamp. I know that Basecamp is a great project management tool, but sometimes you need to export your data to another format. Maybe you need to share it with someone who doesn't use Basecamp, or maybe you just want to have a backup of your data. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your data from Basecamp in a variety of formats, including CSV, Excel, PDF, and more. So, let's get started. First, you need to log in to your Basecamp account. Once you're logged in, click on the Projects tab. Next, select the project that you want to export. Once you've selected a project, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the gear menu, select Export. This will open the Export dialog box. In the Export dialog box, you can choose the format that you want to export your data in. You can also choose to include or exclude certain fields from your export. Once you've made your selections, click on the Export button. Your data will be exported in the format that you selected. Here are some additional tips for exporting from Basecamp. You can export multiple projects at once by selecting the projects that you want to export and then clicking on the Export button. You can export data from a specific date range by selecting the Date Range option in the Export dialog box. You can export data from a specific user by selecting the User option in the Export dialog box. You can export data from a specific task by selecting the Task option in the Export dialog box. I hope this video has helped you learn how to export from Basecamp. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Basecamp tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.